Today, I will be showing you how to use the UAF Transfer Credit Estimator. I will show you how to add possible UAF majors, how to add college or military experience, as well as individual coursework taken, how to add exam credits, and then how to read the summary page. Your first step, once you have created a profile, will be to choose up to 3 possible UAF majors. Each of our majors are sorted by category. You can select any category that interests you and read about each major offered. For the purposes of today's video, I'll be selecting Biological Sciences, which is a Bachelor of Science, Homeland Security and Emergency Management, which is a Bachelor of Security and Emergency Management, as well as our general program, which is an Associate of Arts. Once you have selected up to 3 possible majors, you will go ahead and click Continue. Here, you'll be prompted to add your college, university, or military experience. Begin by typing the name of the first experience you would like to add. Once you see the experience you would like to add, you will go ahead and select it. At this point, you'll be prompted to add the individual coursework taken at that specific university. You can type both the course subject and number, or you can type out the name of the course. Once you see the course you are trying to add, you will go ahead and select it. If for some reason you do not see the course you are trying to add, you are given the option to have it be reviewed by one of our transfer credit specialists. We are more than happy to review any of your courses that are not already in our system. If you have multiple college, university, or military experiences, you will then repeat this process. For the military branches, you will select the JST Military Credit option. For the Air Force, you will select the Community College of the Air Force. As you enter your JST military credit, you can type both the title of the course or the letters and numbers associated with the course, which will be found on the left side of your JST. Once you are done adding all of your coursework and experiences taken, you will then select Continue. Here, you will be prompted to add any exam credits that you may have. If you do not have any exam credits, you can select Continue at this point. If you do have exam credits, you will begin by selecting the type of exam you took. You will then type the title of the exam you took and select the one that matches. You will also enter the score that you received for that exam. Once you have added all of your exam credits, you will select Continue. You have now reached the summary page. One of the first things on the summary page is a Consider These Majors section. This section provides some other majors that you may want to consider based on how much of your transfer credit will apply directly towards the degree, as shown through the degree completion percentage. If any of these majors interest you, you can select them to read more about them. You'll see below this section is a list of all of your college, university, or military experience, as well as your exam credits. You are able to view and edit at this point. On the right side of the screen, you will see a section for each of the intended majors that you selected at the beginning of this process. You will also see a percentage next to the degree completion. This shows how much of your transfer credit would directly apply towards your degree and how close you would be to finishing that degree. To see each of these in more detail, just select View Detail. Here you can see the breakdown of the degree with the requirements needed and how your transfer credit would apply towards those requirements. For the general program, you can see that 6 of my basic combat training credits applies towards the 20 credit at the 200 level and above requirement. You will also see my writing course satisfies the writing across context general education requirement, and my U.S. history exam course goes to satisfy the social science general education requirement. You will see here the breakdown for the Homeland Security and Emergency Management. Again, you can see my writing and history credits goes towards the general education requirements for this specific degree. If you scroll to the bottom, you may also see a section titled Courses That May Apply. This section lists any credits that you have that are usually accepted by UAF but may not fulfill your specific degree requirements. These credits may still be applied towards your degree to fulfill the 120 credit minimum that you need to receive a bachelor's degree with us. If you have any questions or concerns about using the Transfer Credit Estimator or transferring to UAF, you can email us at uaf-transfer@alaska.edu. We look forward to hearing from you.